So you have a wonderful dog, but the dog has frequent and explosive diarrhea. And you want to avoid the picking up process. It covers a wide area. You can't really cleanly scoop it up, and it's messy, so scoopers and bags and even double bags aren't very effective. Now you mentioned diarrhea, and everybody wants to cure the diarrhea, and I don't disagree. You got to cure the diarrhea, but it can't be avoided completely. So we have to deal with it when it happens. Now, to cure it, both these products, pumpkin puree, fortiflora, and along with boiled chicken, obviously, they work great to calm the intestinal tract. But you still have to manage that initial onslaught. So all we're going to do is we're going to take an old racket. I'm going to cut out the strings on the inside. We're going to take a bag. I like to double it up. Kind of set it into the racket. I think we know where we're going with this. And then just use these clips here to secure it onto the racket. And you want to kind of put this sort of to the edge, because the edge is what's going to go in and catch the poop. So we have this at the edge. Go ahead and put all our clips on it. And make sure you use enough clips, because if you don't, then you won't form a nice round sort of bucket, if you will, to catch everything cleanly. So let's get these on here. And so this is going to be our little apparatus here, so let's go ahead and take it for a walk. There are products that you can buy like this online, but I actually prefer the do-it-yourself model that we've just covered, because it's wider here. The ones that you get are smaller, and so the wider one you're aimed doesn't have to be as accurate. If it's smaller and the diarrhea gets on the edge, well, at that point you've lost. Also, this uses just a standard grocery bag can fit in here, so you don't have to use a proprietary bag.